off we go. Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros, and tonight we're doing a little overnight float here fishing for king salmon, cooking an entire deer leg over the fire, and setting up a bushcraft tarp shelter. So it's gonna be a fun one. I just forgot what I was gonna say. So it's gonna be a fun one. It's just gonna be fun, okay? Buddy almost hit that rock already. Oh, I'm about to hit it too. As we're floating over here to our spot, we are seeing a ton of dead kings, so they're definitely in here. I saw a few live ones. Also seeing some big brown trout. There is some life in this river so far, so hopefully, that's a sucker. Hopefully it's some good fishing later, but if not, we're definitely gonna be eating good. Just hauled all the gear up here to camp, and now we're gonna get down there, set up the good old salmon rods, and try to catch some fish for the next few hours, and then start cooking food, which I'm already hungry, but we have a lot of food, so I'm excited. First up, I'm just gonna use this little spinner that I have right here, just kind of search around and see what we're working with. Oh, there's a dead king down there. There's some salmon up here, just swimming right above these rapids. Oh, one's on it, one's on it, one's on it. Oh my gosh. He's chasing it, he's chasing it. Oh, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it. He's on it, dude. Dude, they're actually, I'm not even joking. He hit it, he hit it, he hit it. Yep, got him. Yep, let's go. We got one, bud. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's go, dude. We got a king on. That was quick. Oh, he just came off. Gosh dang it. My line broke at the leader. I don't know how that happened. Must have tied a bad knot. You hate to see it. All right, I should have done this before, but we have a swivel to our leader now, so that should not break. But I'm a little upset. Switched up to this little hair jig right here to be more finesse. See if that works any better. Well, fishing may have not been very good today, but as you can tell, it is that time of year. The snow is falling and ice is starting to form. So let me show you some amazing ice fishing reels for this season. This right here is the PC Fun Ice X Frost, which is my go-to setup for pan fishing. It's got a nice comfortable design that fits perfectly in your hand with a nice button to just drop down that line straight to the fish. They also got their Carbon X spinning reels, the 500 and 1000 size right here. The 500 is my go-to setup for walleye and bass. And we got the 1000 size setup, which is my go-to for some big old lake trout. So if you guys need some new reels for the upcoming ice fishing season, be sure to use code JFB18 at PCFun.com to save yourself some money. But I'm getting starving, so we gotta chop up some wood, get a big fire rick rolling, because we got a big old deer leg to cook. Came down here to the riverbank and to collect some rocks to build a nice big old fire pit so that we can get a big fire going to cook this food. Did I mention that I'm hungry? We got the fire going now, but I'm just gonna try to find some more dead and down trees or dead standing wood so we can get a lot of firewood for tonight. Got a bunch of wood split up here, big fire going, and then Michael just got the tripod set up that we're gonna hang the deer leg from, and that's how we're gonna cook it, bushcraft style. The deer leg is all seasoned up, ready to string it up over the fire. This is a lot of food. The leg is now roasting over there. Time to set up the tarp. I think I found 2 nice trees that we're gonna hang our taunt line from.
This is how we're gonna eat this thing.
Well, the bottom piece of it close to the fire is already pretty much done. So we sliced off a little piece here. Let's give it a go. The first taste, is phenomenal. Wow. I need to go hunting this year. I need a deer. I have both my tags. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see hunting videos. I usually don't film it, but if you guys want to see it, I can do that. Got an eastern white pine here. You can actually make tea out of this. I'm gonna try that today. I've never tried it, I've been wanting to. So we're gonna do it today. And you can identify the eastern white pine because it has soft needles and it has bunches of up to 5. So it's pretty easy to identify, and this is safe for making tea. The deer leg is cooked here. Time to slice into it. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It looks like roast.
Oh, it's time to dig into this. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I think we did it tonight. This has got to be one of the coolest things I've ever cooked over a fire. It's not one of, it is. Shout out MP for donating his deer leg for tonight's camp. So from the video I watched earlier, it says you're supposed to separate the needles from the little stem here, and you want to use the really green ones. You don't want to use the brown ones, but I got a good bunch here. There's not really any brown. Now I collected all of my pine needles here, and we're just gonna chop them up a little bit. Now we're just gonna toss them into my cup. I think that should be enough. Time to boil some water. Got our boiling water, and we're just gonna dump it into the needle mixture here and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about like 13 minutes. Let's try our tea. It certainly smells like tea. It's actually incredible. That is crazy. It's like a pretty subtle flavor, which I like, because I don't like a strong tea. So I can get down with this. It's actually wild. Just gonna finish off the night here with some nice warm cocoa. Man, it's such a beautiful day out here. It's been a lot of fun.
You guys should try it. It's pretty good.
Good morning, everybody. It's approximately like 30 degrees right now. Got the fire back up and going. It's feeling good. I'm just really excited for breakfast. I'm hungry, and we just have such a great menu. But we still got about 30 some more minutes till the sun rises, and then we'll probably start cooking. Sun's finally starting to come up. Have a warm cup of coffee. Starting to get the life back in me right now. And we're gonna cook up some venison bacon and honey butter bread. Probably the best breakfast known to man. Not even gonna lie. Nice cooked honey butter bread, some venison bacon. This is courtesy of Chef Michael's recipe, so we're gonna give it a go. That's really good. I might steal this recipe if I ever get some venison myself. And off we go. Here we're gonna end the float. It was a fun time cooking up that deer leg. We ate a lot of good food, and that's really all you need in a camp. I don't know what else you could ask for. But it is starting to cool down here in Michigan. You love to see it. Getting some winter camps here shortly. But y'all subscribe so you don't miss those. And catch you on the next one. I know, I forgot to say that. Maybe I should say it. I didn't. Why didn't I say, and as always, folks, fish with passion. That's what we're supposed to say. Anyway, see ya.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know if I could run through the fire.